So you want to make your room sound better, but you don't want to break the bank either. Now in this video, I'll be showing you, or I guess I'll be demonstrating sound test on regular acoustic foam, DIY acoustic foam, and I'll show you exactly where to get this and how to make them. It's probably something, or it could be something that you already have inside your home and you don't really know about it, so we'll see. Now this is an acoustic panel. Now these types of acoustic panels are about $125 each. Sometimes you can get them on sale, but they're a little bit more pricey, but they do work a lot better than just your typical acoustic foam. And they also look better if you have a media room, home theater. It just looks a lot better also on the wall. And it does a better job at absorbing a lot of the vibrations that a subwoofer would be emitting. So it's something to think about. For a fraction of the price, however, you can make your very own acoustic panels. And basically you can save a lot of money, because for about the amount of money that it would cost you to make, well, to buy one of these, you can make about 10 of these. So make sure to go watch this video and find out exactly what you need to buy and how to make it. You'll see it's quite simple and you don't really need that much building experience, trust me. So now we'll do the sound test on just regular acoustic foam. Let's see if it makes that much of a difference inside a room that already has quite a lot of echo. Now, as you can hear, it did make quite a difference, and it just goes to show that these acoustic foams, they do work quite well. Now, what I use to hang these on the wall are command strips. Now, the command strips that I recommend for this type of application are the ones that you would typically use to hang picture frames. Now, you don't really need these because of the weight. It's more the adhesive that's behind, and also the way that they are applied. It's almost like a Velcro on each outer sides, and it just clips in. Now the most important thing is the adhesive behind these command strips will stick on the acoustic foam extremely well, and it will basically not let go. If you just go and buy the cheap command strips, you'll find that it just doesn't stick on foam like most adhesive. Most of self-adhesive tapes don't really stick on foam, but these types of command strips works extremely well. I'll have links in the description below of these exact command strips and also these acoustic foam, and also the material that I use to build the DIY acoustic foam that is coming up. All right, a little bit more of an echo. I can really hear the difference in my ears. I'm not sure how it's actually registering to you at home, but I'm sure you can probably hear quite a difference with just adding acoustic foam. Now we'll be testing the difference with acoustic panels. Now acoustic panels, as I said, are much more expensive, but I am pretty sure that you'll be quite impressed with the difference that it makes. Now let's add the panels. Alright, so right now I've added some acoustic panels and I myself can hear a huge difference. Now I'm not sure how much you can hear it, but you can hear it quite well. And I've just added a few, 1, 2, 3, and the DIY acoustic panel right down there. So 3 acoustic panels right around me, and it makes quite a difference in the sound of this room. Now, if you're doing podcasts, something like this would work very well. But as I said, they're quite expensive, so it's mostly for media rooms. Or now, let's talk about DIY acoustic foam. Now, if you have an older home, or maybe an older bed, older mattress, and you might have a foam top over the mattress to make the mattress a little bit more comfortable. Now, I couldn't find any at my house, but I do remember that we had quite uncomfortable beds when I was a kid, and we did have those on top of the mattress, just to make it a little bit better. Well, these you can find on Amazon. They are quite inexpensive, and they are quite thicker than your cheap acoustic foam. Your regular acoustic foam is about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. This is almost 2 inches thick. So you would think in theory it should work better than your regular acoustic foam. but we'll find out. Now, how do you actually make these? Well, all you do is you unroll it and you cut it up any shape that you want. Now, the way that you make these acoustic foam is, well, you cut them up in pieces, whatever shapes and size that you want. I just made regular 12 by 12s, square, and they look pretty good. I couldn't really find a black or a white one, so I just took I think this is kind of a blue greenish color. They have so many different types of colors, and you can basically make your room look kind of cool with different shapes and sizes and different colors. Now, same thing, command strips in the back, and also you can hang these acoustic panels with command strips. However, you would need 4 command strips to hang these because of the weight, of course. But the DIY acoustic foam, you only need 1. So let's try it out, see what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can hear, it deadens the sound pretty good for just something that you can make at home, cut up, and make it look not too bad. Of course, this is just a unscientific test just to show you that these types of acoustic foam actually will work very well. And as I said, you could find some of these at home for free. And as I said, they are a lot thicker than your regular acoustic foam. So they tend to work pretty well at doing what you want. And as I said, you can just choose whatever color scheme you want. So let me know in the comment below if you have made your very own DIY acoustic foam in the past, or let's see if I can, or your DIY acoustic panels. Let me know in the comment section below how you've made them, how you've built them, and what it looks like. If you can send me a photo at info@soundproofguide.com, I'd love to know more about it, and hopefully it might be one of a future video. Thank you very much. Until next time.